In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GoDaddy's two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. By the end of this guide, you'll have enhanced the security of your GoDaddy account, ensuring that only you have access to it. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to make our way to the GoDaddy website. The easiest way to do this if you don't have it bookmarked is to simply perform a Google search for GoDaddy. This should bring up the official site link right at the top, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner. This is where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the login page where you can enter your account credentials, your username and password. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll find yourself looking at the GoDaddy dashboard. Again, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll notice an icon that typically bears your initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. It's in this section where we can make all necessary changes to the security and personal details of your account. Now, under Account Settings, you'll see various options related to managing your personal information and security. What we need to focus on here is the option labeled Login and PIN. Select this option, which will bring you to a page dedicated to managing your login information and security settings. On the Login and PIN page, scroll down a little until you see the section titled Enhanced Security. This is where you can enable or change your two-step verification settings. For those who aren't familiar, two-step verification is an extra layer of security designed to ensure that you're the only person who can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. Under Enhanced Security, there should be an option to enable two-step verification. Once you click on Enable, you'll likely be prompted to verify your identity, perhaps by entering your password again. Follow the prompt, and then you'll be presented with different methods for receiving your verification code, such as via a text message, an authenticator app, or an email. Choose the method that suits you best. Remember that using an authenticator app is often recommended for its added layer of protection. And there you have it. You've successfully changed or enabled the two-step verification on your GoDaddy account. By taking this step, you're adding a strong protective measure to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.